fella ba mmitša mabena Other this world there are bagena Back at the day sijo go sa tumile khavela Many men ba palla go shela Playboy ke betshwa ka pendlena ke tshwere meshe go shotha matlera Breakfast cherry ya mo rapper Inyanga man
3, 2, 1 let's go. What's going on everybody, this is your boy Simone Building. We back again to another video. On today's video is something different. We dropping bangers after bangers. Got time shit. I'm here with food.
So wait, tell me so what it yeah.
What's going on everybody, it's about JJ, that's your community blog. Step by some do drink with the lovers confusing the
haters. So guys, in today's video, we decided SG that's okay, let's call our parents. Let's call our parents. Okay, manje senzeni siprekisa amantombazana. Siprekisa again. Think about it, bro. Things we do for you guys. So guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. It's
Tabiso.za. Tabiso the phone.
Yeah, Tabiso.za. Now, as you can see, Tembe.ww_ and J.ww_. So, without wasting time, guys, let's get into the video. So, guys, as you know, Wuti, TRJ chocolate box. TRJ chocolate box. Put your mother's phone number, Lana.
I won't send them.
It's about to go down.
Martin, you have to do this, my friend.
Lalanga panda, but is mama who pata is strong.
Hey, your mom traps, boy. I'm not darling. Call, wasting time. Call.
Yeah, so
Careful.
Did you play this here?
hi mama. Mama.
Hello.
Ke nna wankwa.
Ke a utlwa.
Ke na le bothata mama.
Bothata ba eng? Bolela.
Ke o busy.
Ke busy bolela se motho ke.
Eish. Ko ga re temper ya is too high. Ke tse tla botsa byang tabekana.
Bolela ke tsitse gane o ntse ka nako.
Taba e like ke tabe kholo.
Bolela tabe o fetse ke.
Eish. O ga se botse papa ngere.
Ke re bolela ke le mpotse ke dintsi.
Mama, girlfriend get pregnant.
Girlfriend. Uri mwana mtsumku.
Girlfriend go imane.
Wena go no robala le banyana nne. O tloemisa ngwana mo.
Mama.
Ke taba ya nne.
Umbuditse mabane.
Oh, wena wa tsama o bula maoto bulela banyana. Oh, ke go uri
Like that's why it's a mile in tlong today. Next I so like close byang so ka kgetho founela no.
Oh, kgetho re founela bo mpotse tsa go go so. Pala go nna ka mpotse.
Ne go tlampeta.
Of course, nje go ba tsonyelana.
So tla ira byang.
A ona re tla ria ba ntse bothata ba wena o bua le batswadi wena o kgone tsamaya o imisha ngwananyana o re o mosapota
Ke tla bereka.
ka tšhelete ya ka la papa o ne
Ke tla bereka.
re sapota wena tshwanetse re sapote le ngwana
Eish.
mme re ko ngwana o sapotiwa ko tsena sekolo wena o tsamaya o imisha banyana ra ore
Eish. Eish.
apo ka se re eng o tsamaya o robala le ngwanyana o ne o tsere mpe o e dirang no sa itse
Ne ke itse.
o bolela matšhini fela wena wa nyela botsebotsa
So,
o ka se re so
Ke re bjang?
O ka dire ke re bjang lo pitse go rena lo tranga ke re o tsamaya go robala le ngwanyana mo tseba ke
Ke mistake.
a ona mistake ya o tlhobola borogo
And motho mpotsa gore 5 months pregnant.
5 months 5 months
Eish, mama.
o tse wena wa nyela wa ntwana go tse wanya straight and o se o tshapa go ga nyanga 5 months o re
Okay, mama.
a tlhaloso go tseledi
Okay.
and o kgetha logal o kgetha o mponela a o mputse face to a o nlati wa phone Rauri.
Mama, ke tla ba re fetla hae.
A ke tsebe robalana mo.
You. Now, boy, you cool. I'll tell you to prank until you feel in my shy. You don't tell your man what you prank until you shy.
Boy.
Yo, boy, this is a bad decision. Guys, let me call. You'll be the last.
Yeah, wait, boy. Boy.
Tell our two boss. What the fuck?
Please stop, brother. Please stop, brother.
Nah. We'll fade.
Please.
You want to tell us something? No, guys. If you want to stop it, no, I'm telling my mom to prank. You don't tell your mom to prank, Baba. You tell him.
Demand.
Yeah, alright.
Chief.
Yeah, alright. Change the last. I'm going to choose.
This is how long. Let's just all with it.
No, do my mommy store one time. Yes, Pete. Wait, boy. I'll tell the phone, Mama. Mama, tell the phone, Mama. Wait, what? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Sawubona mama.
Yebo njani?
Yangizwa ukhuluma nobani ngithi manje?
Ngikhuluma nawe nje.
Ish, mama kunento engifuna ukukutshela yona.
Khuluma mfana.
Ish, angazi ukuphatha kanjani mara ish.
Aw.
Ubhizi la ukhona?
Manje.
Ubhizi la ukhona?
Cha, ngihleli ngibuya TV.
Okay. Ish. Mama. Ish. Ngiyokungishaya mase.
Wesithembe awukhulumi.
Mama ngipregisa intombazana.
Angizwanga ke yazi ngathi yakhatha le phone.
Mama ngithi ngipregisa intombazana.
Wazongijwayela amasimba wena. Uyaphinda lesibindi sokuthi uphinde. Dothi mina lo ngitshela wona manje. Yangijwayela, awungiboni.
Sorry mama, sorry.
Sorry amasimba, sorry kokunuka. Azi kodwa Nkosi yami ngabe ngivelela yini Nkosi yami. Ufuna ama-stand okumithisa wena. Unesicelo sokumithisa.
Cha mama, cha.
Cha mama yokunuka. Ukungize la uzokukhomba.
Uzongishaya manje mama.
Wesithembe.
Ma.
Wesithembe. Usuthi uphi ngakubiza?
Yebo mama.
Usuyindoda.
Cha mama.
Pho dathi umuntu ongitshela wona manje.
Ile ntombazana kusiyimi.
Yini?
Yabona ntana. Drop. Okay.
Wona ufuthi boy, ayiphela le call yakho nawe boy.
So mama wa dropa. Ma.
Ngithi le ntombazana ayizange ivulele amathanga. Wenzeni ukuzimitha le ntombazana?
Na mama mina bengincabuza kuphela.
Hey, Shembe. Imethisa uqabulana kuphela.
Angazi mama. And
Awazi. Wazibani? Wazibani?
ungitshela ukuthi una 5 months mama.
Niqala nini lento kodwa Nkosi yami wathi ngizobiza umhlangano wefamily ngoba ngiyalingwa la.
Cha mama cha. Uthi una 5 months mara mina bengicabanga.
Uyasazi isimo sala endlini. Uyasazi ukuthi siphila kanjani la endlini. Wena uyahamba uyolethela omunye umthwalo futhi.
Mina mama bengicabanga ukuthi senze abortion.
I-abortion. Shuthi kahle wena uzoyeka isikole uhambe uyosebenza ke. Awusana muzi ubuyela endlini uzothatha konke okungamasakana kwakho uphumuphele uhambe uyowenza umuzi njengobaba ke osezoba nengane.
Sorry mara mama.
Sorry mara mama yokunuka. Sorry mama ayamasimba. Angithanda usuyindoda. Ukwazi ukumithisa.
Cha mama.
Awuyazi lento kuyi condom.
Ngishilo my friend.
Uncishe my friend.
Yebo mama.
Asem uzongihlanyisa ngizona.
Sorry mama.
Bazongihlanyisa mina ngiyakwazi ukuhlanyela la ekhaya. Ungazongitshela udoti.
Mama.
Uze ubuye bayizulu uzothatha ongamasakana kwakho uhambe uyokhulisa lona isana lo osulenzile. Angithona usaseyingane yala endlini. Ususu ubaba ke wenyingane.
Okay, ngiyeza mama.
Yebo, lokusisa. Ngiyangondlena nawe mina, ngiyangondle, ukhohle lokho.
Okay mama. Ngiyakuthanda ne mama, ngiyakuthanda. Ngiyakuthanda.
I said
You see la ngiyakhoka You see what you do for you guys? Nah, you cook, dog. You cook. I'm going to prank.
Homeless.
I'm going to prank.
Homeless.
Oh, grand. Mama, I'm going to go jail and done. Fine. 6'5". Mama between lambs. Now mama call him 6'5". Ay, 20. Ni mama. Ay, papa call baba. Ay, papa Scott. You call baba. Call. Meaning you mama prank. He call pa. Ay, pa call.
Fana iwa.
Tell me for help.
Yeah,
no.
Things for no. Mau. Ish. Things for no.
Mama.
Wabo.
Who's better, boy? Be honest. Who's better?
Minimum busy.
Busy man.
Busy night.
Njani manje?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Tabiso.
Okay.
Good day.
Good day. Ish.
And she says, "Chef."
Mara kaya ish kanya nanantag niya kung what's ayon. Ish kathaile ish agan ako tat. Ish. Kaya lang wa.
Bolela, kansos.
Girlfriend tayo pregnant.
Akong pipila orange.
Girlfriend tayo pregnant.
Hindi naman sa patang Tabiso.
It's like lena
Hindi naman sa patang
agitsi writing mara. Ish.
Skang khafisa ke. Skang khafisa, skang controla masep. Hindi naman sa patang O tsebo imisa ngwanyana wena.
Nile pause.
Olomokan.
Nile pause.
So controla machilo. Skang potsa dilo tsa skang khafisa.
Yo.
Tropile. You. Try to call again. Try to call one again. Loudspeaker.
Thensa haya. Enikhulumela nini ekhaya niyashaya.
Mama.
Ke re ke tla mone ke tla mo tlo mpotsa pele ditšhile tse o di bolelang ke
Tla re bolela mo founung.
ke re
Tla re bolela mo founung. Go na le plan, re ka ira plan.
ka ra mathata a makana Thabiso ka ra mathata a makana
Sa rasa.
ka ra mathata o reng wena o monna bjano o monna o mpotsa gore ke se ka rasa o monna o mpotsa gore ke se ka rasa wena
So
nna ka mo motseng wa ka a ke dile monna o tswa mo motseng wa ka o ipatlela motswao a nke re wena o monna bjano o kgone go imisa ngwanyana o kgone go imisa ngwanyana nke o itirele boshimane
Nele
o
po
itirele tšhelete
di mistake enkere.
o itirele tšhelete ka motseng wa ka ke fitlha mo ke nyako bona gore o tswile ke atla mo ene ke tla le papa o tla re tlhalosetsa botse ka sesontlala matšhila
Sharp.
You call after we end the video. Damn, bro, now we cooked.
It's kind of crazy.
We cooked, dog.
Shit, boy.
That we cooked. You see, guys, things we do for you guys. In this Nenzela zone. Nah, bro. Nah. So, guys, please comment down below which video do you want next. You understand? Drop the comment. The comment is over nama like kamaning. This video so yenza. You understand? So comment down below with my shy video. Anything you can do it. You understand? Anything for you guys.
I will cooked.
Me, I'm cooked already, but yes, na matata ndli ba khuluma Ta bithukile le bang abuse kibo. Una ba abuse already. Cha buthukela sakhona ukukhuluma.
Ke mama umubeta.
Mama,
You'll comment down below. Please comment down below with mama kabani OS. Ubani bazomshama bafendlini. Comment down below. Comment down below.
Yeah, mina bazongishaya mara hayi kufana nawe.
Away. So guys, thank you for the love and support. Keep on supporting the boys. The boys gonna keep on dropping bangs after bangs. Time, shake down. Road to 50K. Follow me. Follow us on Instagram. Go and follow. You waiting.
Thabiso.
Stimbe. You waiting. Now you check out Thabiso. Now
I'm waiting.
Now that you follow. Go and follow.
I'm waiting.
You follow up. You follow. Yeah. Guys, see you in the next video.
Comment down below which video you want next and we'll tell.
In 3, 2, 1. Suck.
Polokwane ke legaela diposo Sushi ke a China or Hong Kong Papa sigine Limpopo Ja papa be monna o be strong Polokwane ke legaela diposo Sushi ke a China or Hong Kong Papa sigine Limpopo Ja papa be monna